Dude, what is going on here? What is the meaning of all this? Hey folks, how you doing? Faulkner Fixes All here. I'm making some smaller gear prints. Now all these parts that I made this with, they were parts that were not usable on bicycles, so don't get excited. I mean, this freewheel, I took that off of a freewheel. It was junk. This was stripped out on the inside threads for my freewheel. This is just a random, I don't know what that was from. Piece of a antique stem, seat post. I'm not quite sure what that was. I know this was a bigger mountain post that was cracked. So yeah, there's nothing was harmed. Okay, no bike parts were harmed. Hey, more stuff coming soon. I'll have some bike videos coming up. I did get some more parts for the 65 Varsity with the down tube shifters. Yeah, so we'll get back on that, but thought I'd just let you guys know what's going on, you know. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, you should. It keeps the channel going. This will be on my Etsy channel, and there will be my Etsy site. There will be a link. There will be a link for these. So far, I've just made 8. This is number 1, and so far there's just 8. I kind of like this tomato one though. Kind of interesting. Kind of a different mix. I got some more. I do have another one I made. Here's this one's going to be next. That's going to be a 12 by 12 on a foam core board. Yeah, I haven't really printed this one yet. I just made the actual. I don't know if you would call these a print block because it's welded steel out of bike parts. So, yeah, it's just my own spin on how prints should be made, Fred Flintstone style. Anyway, have a good night, and more bike stuff coming soon, don't worry.